Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. I've got a Temu haul for you today, and I'm super excited. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best sellers that I have been able to pick up, and all of these are going to be linked in the description box below. Now, I do have kind of like three, I guess, ish bags here, and we are going to jump in and get started. Now, again, all of these items are going to be linked in the description box below. This first one, actually, I'll just show you this first one since it's already open. Check out these cute little farmhouse stands. Now, these are great for home decor, and this is a 3-piece set. And again, everything is linked in the description box below. There's also a code that you can use. That's a referral code, so definitely check that out. But super cute, right? You can stack these on top of each other. You can have these individually. You could kind of do a multi kind of a tier thing. Fantastic for candles, home decor. I'm going to show you some things that I'm going to do with these for some of my holiday decor. And again, super, super cute. This farmhouse 3-piece stand, you get all 3 pieces. Such a cute value. All right, this next thing that I was getting ready to open, I love to wear a bracelet, and I like all kinds of bracelets. And this is, I mean, I have bracelets on right now. This is a 16-piece set of, technically they say they're men's bracelets, but men's, women's, you can wear them anywhere. So this is the first one here. And I'm going to try and take some of these. Look at that one. That one's very cool. That one's kind of slinky looking. So there's that one. This one here is very cute. Check out that one. You know what? We're going to open some of these. I'm going to open this little slinky one. So again, these are going to be linked in the description box below, so you can definitely find them yourselves. But look at that. Look how fun that is. And, you know, you've got a teenager, you've got somebody that, you know, maybe they're not ready for a big fancy bracelet. Maybe they just like to have some costume bracelets and some, you know, different things to wear at different days of the week or whatever. This is 16 pieces. And I mean, you could own a store and put these in your store. Check that out. That's really nice. And it's super flexible and super soft. Now, I won't open every single one of these, but I did want you to actually see that they do fit. And I mean, there's some nice ones in here. There's that one as well. You've got this one, which I'm probably going to open that one because I kind of love that one. I'm going to put that inside. Ooh, that one's really cool too. Check out that one. And again, these all came in one set, this 16-piece set. Look at that one too. They've all got the kind of lobster claw clasp on them, so you can kind of see right there. There's that kind of larger circular one. I know these are really hard to see. Actually, what I'll do too is I'll take these out and I'll put these on a tray and I'll kind of lay them all flat so you can kind of see what they really, really look like, because this just is not doing these justice at all. I'm going to use my teeth and we're going to open this one too. Look at that one. That's so cool. Look how nice these are. They're super flexible. This has a very nice lobster claw clasp on it again. And this is fun. This is actually fun. For $16, I'm having a little hard time kind of getting this one hooked by myself here. There we go. Look at that. I mean, I could be happy just with those two. 16 pieces. You got all of them for this one price. So I'm going to have them on the screen here so you can kind of see what they all look like. And I'll take these two off of my arm so you can see those too. Let's get into this bigger box now. This is going to be a lot of fun because there are some good things in here as well. Again, all of these are linked in the description box below. I thought I was going to have to go get scissors. All right, this is so cute. This is going to be above my doorway, and it's so fun. It's a dramatic exit sign. Now, this I thought would be really fun to just kind of put over the front door, and I'll show you what this looks like, because this packaging that this is in. It just doesn't do it justice. It does feel like it's metal. Yeah, it is metal. Let's peel that off, but look. How cute is that? I'll take this sticker off because that's how it was holding on to the little white foam so it doesn't get bent. Dramatic exit. I'm going to put it over my door and I'll show you what this looks like too. So cute. I think this is amazingly funny. And I kind of want to sneak in and like put it at work, put it over my door at work, but I don't know if that would go over very well. This is super fun. I love this already. And wow, this is much nicer than I thought it was going to be. Check out that great tote. Now, if you were doing a weekend trip somewhere, especially with the holidays, this is a fun tote bag. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh, it came with a little keychain. All right, so that's the tote. Super, super cute camo tote. It's got, it's not adjustable, but it's got the hand straps here. There might even be a shoulder strap inside of here. Yes, there is a shoulder strap inside of here as well. It's got the great kind of toggle that you can put the shoulder strap on. It's fun. It's super cute. It would be fun for anything. It's got the lining in it, which is also very nice because if you are going to the beach. And then it came with this little cute kind of alien Martian guy keychain. I'm going to open this up too. I'm so sorry for all the crinkling and the plastic and everything, but look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. And you can have it obviously as a keychain if you wanted to. You could also take that off. It's got this big kind of lobster claw clasp on it where you could just kind of clip it onto the side of the bag, like right here. And you've got the cutest little tote. I actually might use this tote for work because I feel like this would also hold my laptop and everything. It's big enough. And again, I may take that little tassel part off of the keychain and just kind of have the little Martian guy as a charm. Super cute. It's linked down below in the description box. I love this so much. All right. This one I'm super excited about. So this is a candle holder and it's designed to go on the wall. It does come with the screws, so make sure you have those. And it's kind of designed to go on a wall. And you can see here, this part, so it goes that way. This part goes out on the wall, and then it's got this accordion kind of flex to it. Isn't that cool? And so you could put like a pillar candle up there and kind of hold it like that. And then like the idea, obviously I'm not gonna stick it on my wall right here, but the idea is that it would stay on the wall, and then for decorative kind of DIY, not DIY, but decorative purposes, you can kind of control how far it sticks out. This would be beautiful, like flanking either side of the mirror that's above my fireplace. I'm actually probably going to order another one of these because I kind of think I need 2 of these. Super cute. I love home decor pieces too. And you could put even the battery operated pillar candles on top of this if you wanted to. Lots of fun flexibility with that. And it's just got a really cool kind of vintagey look. And yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with that. Kind of obsessed. And this next item is also in a bag. It looks like there's just a few more things. And again, everything is linked in the description box below. So there is a little referral code that you can check out. And then of course, all of the links for everything. I've also got a Temu storefront of some of my favorite things. So you can definitely check that out too if you want to. This is cute. This is a thing. I don't know what it is. It's a thing. And it's a decorative, kind of a decorative box. So it's got a wood kind of look to it, right? And then you've got this plastic kind of top to it. But the plastic thing comes out. So what could you do with this? Well, what can't you do with it? What I want to do is take a light, just one of those puck lights, and put it down inside of there. And then it creates a very cool lamp. You could also easily turn this into a planter and use this because, again, it's watertight. So you could fill it up with water. You could put a plant in it, maybe one of those friendship plants that can grow just in the water itself. And then you can have it kind of billowing out and you'd kind of be able to see through it because it's, you know, somewhat kind of clear. I don't think you could use it as an aquarium, maybe if they have a clear version of this. But again, super cute. And even like if it's sitting right here where this kind of tree is, it could be there and it could be beautiful as a light, as like an accent light even when I'm not using it. By the way, the tail that you keep seeing behind there, that's Otis, my cat. So again, super fun. Love this item. So there's 3, oh, there's more in here than I thought. This next one, open this up real quick. Ooh. All right, we're gonna pause the video for just a second because this has got styrofoam and everything, and I know this one will be loud. All right, you guys, I'm back, and the item was this glass kind of iced coffee jar. It comes with a glass straw as well, and it does have a lid on it, which is going to make it, I don't know if it's gonna make it watertight, but it does have this, check this out. So you can seal the plug up here and carry your coffee with you to work. Now it's small enough that it's gonna also fit in a cup holder in your car, which again is pretty amazing. And these are so on trend right now. Like these are so cool for iced coffees. And I'm super excited about this one because it is glass, which means I can reuse it. I can drink my coffee in it. I wonder if I could take it even into a coffee shop and have them refill it for me. So it is glass. It's probably dishwasher safe and everything. And then inside of it, you've got this removable lid. This is probably, I mean, it's definitely 20 ounces, I would think. But let me know in the comments below because this is linked in the description box. You can get this yourself. Read that and then tell me how many ounces it is. That would be very helpful. And then there's 2 more items. So this item is, I have no idea. I kind of know what it is. I think I know what it is. Again, this one's going to be a little loud, so let me open this one up and then I will show you what this one's all about. All right, you guys, so these are the items that were in that bag. How cute are these lanterns? Now, Mom, I already know you want these. They were going to be a Christmas gift, but I also know that you watch my videos. So yes, Mom, you're getting these. These are little lanterns that kind of have this farmhouse kind of vibe to them. There's 2 different sizes. This is kind of like a metal tray. Let me show you what this is about. So you've got the handle at the top, which kind of makes it look like you can pick this up, but you can't. And then it sits on top of this tray, and this tray is kind of like a metal. How cute is that? Can you imagine putting maybe a big pillar candle in one of these or in both of them? You could put a plant in one and a pillar candle in the other. Such a cute kind of farmhouse aesthetic. Obviously, I don't have farmhouse in my house, but this is definitely something that I know my mom would love. These are linked in that description box below again. And so cute. I really do like those a lot. And they're substantial. And I got both of them. And it's crazy that I was able to get them all together. All right. Oh, I'm glad I looked down in the bag because there's actually 3 more little things in here. Now, this was for me. I did get gifts in a lot of this, but well, I guess I'm probably 50-50. This ring, check out that ring. Check out that men's ring. It's really cool. I know it's hard to see here, but it kind of has this kind of eagle kind of crest on it. And let's see if we can get that to zoom in. Yeah, you kind of see it there. But super pretty. I love wearing costume jewelry. I love wearing real jewelry. I love mixing it up together. And such a cute item. And then this next item, let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this is a cute little bracelet. Yeah, this is great. This is a bracelet that you've seen out and about. You've probably seen this on people's arms. It's definitely something that's been very trendy. And what's so nice about this one is that this one is adjustable. And so you can put it on, you can wear it on different size wreaths. I'm just gonna max it out on where it can be. So check out that kind of open 4-leaf kind of clover kind of design. So we'll push those other bracelets that I got. And this one is probably going to be a gift for somebody. I had somebody in mind when I was thinking about that one. But it's kind of that open kind of clover, that 4-leaf clover. Right now, it is at the max, so you can see how big it is, but then you can adjust it here with the chain. But super, super cute, very kind of chic. Love that one. And then this is my last one. This is a quick one. This is a quick haul. Let's go ahead and get this open, and then we'll start filming again. Okay, I am back, and this is fantastic. First of all, I'm shocked at how well these were packaged. Now, this is another thing for me, so I guess this really isn't about getting gifts for anybody. This is a 3-piece vase set, and these are really, really pretty. I'm gonna take all the paper off of these, and then I'll show you. If you love that kind of mid-century vibe, which is definitely my vibe here at the house, then you're gonna love these. You get 1, you get 2, look how. And they're durable. Look how pretty this green glass is. This is such a great vase kind of set. You get the 3 pieces. You could absolutely gift these individually to people if you wanted to. So high-end looking, very chic looking. I feel like I'm using that word a whole lot. They're going to be beautiful when the Christmas stuff is down, and putting it like right there where that tree is, and having just that bright green glass. Put some taper candles in here at the top. So beautiful. I'm going to just set these up there and just kind of show you, because even the green would be really pretty with the Christmas tree. But yeah, that's everything in the Temu haul today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Definitely check out the links below in the description box. This will give you all of these individual item links, so you can check these out for yourself. Maybe get some gifts for some friends and family. Also, I do have a Temu storefront link down below that's got some of my favorites. I've been shopping with Temu for quite a while, and I've got some of my favorites. We'll definitely be having more Temu hauls very, very soon. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of loving everything I got. All right, you guys, take care. I'll chat with you later. Bye.